Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in today's video. In today's video, I am going to create this electric blue eyes with these pink lips. So if you want to see how I achieve this eye look specifically, this is not a full face tutorial. This is just specifically for eyes. Steps are really easy. Anyone can do it following these steps. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. I'm already done with my base. Now I'll move directly towards my eyes. So the first thing which I'll be doing is using this NYN eyeshadow cream stick. I'll be using it all over my lid. This will act like a base for my next shimmery color. So I'll start applying this cream eyeshadow. This is in the color Steel Grey, which is more on a grey blackish side. So I'll first apply it all around my lid, and then with the help of a brush I'll remove all the harsh edges. I'll keep on reapplying till the time I want the desired color of that eyeshadow. Then I'll take this ADS contour palette, and from this palette I'm going to take the darkest contour shade and I'm going to put this on the crease of my eyes. This will act like a transition shade. I'll keep on placing and keep on blending the color until I want. Then I'm going to take this ADS Pro Makmali palette. I'm going to take the blue color because I'm trying to create a blue eye. With the help of a press and drag method, I am going to put this eyeshadow on the eyelid area with the help of my fingers. Now what I completely found beneficial with fingers is that the pigmentation is quite intense with fingers than brush. So keep on reapplying it till I want the desired color. Once I'm done with the eyeshadows, I'll move towards lining my lower waterline and my upper waterline with the help of Miss Claire Cream Eye Kajal pencil. Later on, I'll be going to create a wing eyeliner with the help of Nykaa Black Magic liquid eyeliner. So I'm going to create this wing liner here. I am pretty much done with it, and then I'll be finishing off my eyes with loads and loads of mascara. I'm using this MUA Boom Lash Mascara. I'm going to apply good amount of 2-3 coats of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. This will intensify my lashes more and give a very good texture to my eyes. Later on, I'll finish all the eye look by highlighting my brow bone and inner duct area. So this is how I do my one eye. Let me just complete and do my other eye and I'll get back to you. So you can see that I have completed both of my eyes, and this is how my eyes turned out. I really like these electric blue eyes with these pink lips. I really love this combination. So this is how I do my eyes. This is very quick and easy. You don't need much products, just a base product and the color on your lids, and you are all sorted. So this is how I do my eyes, and this is how this color turned out on my face. So I have completed my face with rest of my makeup, and this is how my eyes turned out. I really loved it and enjoyed creating this look for you guys. That is it for the video, guys. I shall meet you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video. Till then, you take care. God bless you. Bye bye.